Hello, my name is Jesus Ender Diaz Daza. My code is 1062807750. In this moment, I am going to explain you about intellectual, intellectual property patents. Mm, the following concepts must mm, directed by Jennifer Tovar. Okay, the intellectual property, the patents, there are obstacles that are excessive process time or difficult mirroring requirements. Uh, its cause and it is consequence. Okay, the cause, the excessive process time is there are not all requirements. The applicants don't have all documents. Time waiting for developing of the process. The consequence that excessive processing time is discouragement in the applicant, lot of protection of the ID to patent. Other obstacle is difficult mirroring requirements. Its causes there are not economic resource and consequence is or there is that it lengthens the process time. Okay. The recommendations about obstacles for assessing of process time or difficulty in meeting requirements is for this process is necessary planning several events. Then if the applicant gets all documents on time, it would be easier that he excuse me. It would be easier than he doesn't it. For other side, if the applicant is very difficult regarding all requirements, he can get some aid for SIC so they could facilitate all the tools for doing a process more assisted. Thank you very much.